All right, in this section, we're going to be looking at some more factoring methods. And the factoring we're going to be looking at here is when certain pieces are missing or some different things that may come up when you're going to use that area model to factor. If we take a look at this first one, if we go and draw the box, what we'll notice is that middle term is missing, right? The x term is missing here. So we'd still put the 9x squared here, minus 4 there, and that gives us negative 36x squared. So that term is the same. The problem is we don't have that middle term, which means these two boxes here and here have to add to give you 0. But really hasn't changed anything. So what multiplies to give you negative 36 and adds to give you 0, that's going to be plus 6x and minus 6x. And then when you fill out the outside, 3x, 3x, plus 2, minus 2, and you get 3x plus 2 and 3x minus 2. Now, in a situation like the second problem, so for part B here, we're missing that last term, and what that allows us to do is do what we call GCF factoring. The reason why this becomes a lot easier to factor is if you just look here, the 12 and the 16, this is just our, factoring with full completion. What's a common factor of 12 and 16, which is 4, and I can also take an x out. I'm left with 3x minus 4. So in problems like this where that last term is missing, I don't even need to do the area model because I already am set. What if they draw it in a different way? So you do something like this and it's drawn in a different way. Just rewrite it ak squared minus 10k plus 3 if it helps. We still have the middle term with the k in it. And you still get 8k plus 3, which gives you 24k squared. What multiplies to 24 and adds to negative 10? Negative 6k and negative 4k. And you can do the rest from here. So this would be a 2k, this would be a 4k, and so on. So I'll let you take care of the rest from there. If you have a problem like this is, now it's missing the x squared term. This goes back to just, full factoring. So this is also GCF if we don't have the x squared term. Because this really, the area model, this model over here only works when we have that x squared term. So we're just looking for the GCF of 40 and 100, which is 20. And you get 2 minus 5m, and there's nothing left to do. So keep in mind, be aware of the GCF, and be aware of being able to rewrite. And if for some reason you don't have the middle term, that's okay. It just means that they cancel each other out and they're adding up to 0. Hope it helps. Good luck.